Hello beautiful people and welcome back to another video. I'm Milan Jacobo and today we have a new puzzle box. I just called it Puzzle Box is because I want one of you guys to name it. So leave a comment down below on what you think the name should be, and in the next video I will pick a random name, and then that'll become the official name for this box. I don't know how many steps there are. I wasn't involved in the development or anything, so yeah, let's jump right into it. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So let's take a look around here. We have hole here, hole here. We have a hole here. We have a hole here with Dwight Schrute in it. We have hole here, a hole here, hole here, hole here, hole here. All these holes up here. Hole here, hole here, hole here, hole here, hole here. That is a lot of holes. So let's jump right into it. So let's see at first if we can slide or push anything. Can we pull this out? Can we push this in? Looks tiled. This shifts, but can't come out due to this break here, so I'm not sure if this is supposed to come out. Maybe we're supposed to poke it out from this side. Yeah, no, that's not coming out. There's this hole here, so what if we dump it? Can we push it? No. So the one thing now we got is this here. So can we slide this out? So it feels it's tiled, so it is supposed to be able to come out, but I'm not sure if that's right now. Can we push anything? No, I can't. Can I push this in? Like this? Okay, I can slide that like that. Can I get a tool out or something? Not sure what that would do exactly. I can tell that this piece right here is tiled, so, yes. I like that. I really like that. Where you have to slide it like this to get the tool. That's smart. But now let's put this wall back over here if we can. Doesn't seem like I can, so let's just start plugging in the holes. Okay. That goes way deep in. Hole here. hole here. Okay. Not feeling much right now. I did block this hole, so what if we move this back? Doesn't feel like anything. This goes fairly deep. This bit moves here, but I'm not sure if that's what means. This goes fairly deep. Ah, there's tile in here. Okay. What would that do? Oh! Something pushed. Now I'm running into something, so I think a pin dropped. Oh, something else pushed. Okay. Oh, something went in there. Huh. This is interesting. Something else went in. Okay. Here. Okay, wait, so this went back in. I'm not sure if we want that or not. I think that's what that hole does there. So that hole resets that. No matter what, this hole stays blocked. And something is pushed here. But I don't know what happens after that. So we have that. No. Okay. I don't think that was supposed to happen. Still, plate kind of jumped up there, so. Wait, is this gravity fed? Yes. Ah. Okay. I'm not sure what this does for me. Am I allowed to open this? No. Okay. Leave that. What would that do for me? Oh, I can push that in now, which lets me get out. Dwight. Okay. Oh, that was a very interesting puzzle. I liked a lot of the mechanisms. Let's try to reset it. That's pretty much it. That's the newest puzzle box. I found it very interesting. I really like this whole section here. It's pretty cool. I like how he hides the tool here. I've never seen that done before, so I thought that was a really cool idea. His classic thing is gravity fed, and my dad is the one who helps me design most of these puzzle boxes, and he really likes gravity fed things, so you know, I had to try this being gravity fed. So I think it's around, I don't know, depending on how many steps you take, around 1, and then 2, sure, 3, then 4, then 5-ish steps, but maybe there might be more steps. I'm not actually sure what I did. Yeah. It's a really cool puzzle box. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. It helps me make more content like this. And make sure to leave a comment down below so that you could have the possibility of naming this box. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day, and yeah, see you in the next video.